So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is find minimum in rotated sorted array. Now in this question, we are given a sorted array which is rotated. So we need to find the minimum element in this sorted array in log n time. Now in O of n time, it is very easy, but in log n time, we have to apply binary search in a slightly different manner. So let's see how we can do that. Now, just a second. For that, we need to consider this array as a composition of two arrays, which are sorted in themselves. For example, in this example, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, we can consider this as two sorted arrays, 0, 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, as in binary case, binary search, we consider start and end. So in this, we will consider start. So our start will point to the starting of the bigger array. Bigger array means the array which contains bigger elements. And the end will display the end of the smaller array, smaller sorted array. So depending upon, so we will calculate mid. Now depending upon we are in the bigger array or we are in the smaller array, we will take the step. Now how we will know that? It's very simple. If nums of mid is greater than nums of e, that is nums of mid is greater than nums of end, that means we are in the bigger subarray. It's very clear. So we will increment the start. Or if nums of mid is less than nums of e, that is the middle element array at mid index is less than the array at end index, then we are definitely at the smaller subarray and we will decrement the mid in order to get to the desired result. Okay, so let's see the algo. Let's see the code so that it's get very clear. So we have initialized start with 0, end as our ending index. We will calculate mid. Now, while s is less than e, we will calculate mid, of course, each time whenever we are iterating through the loop. Now, if we have only two conditions, since in the question it is given that the array does not contain any duplicates. So if nums of mid is greater than nums of e, then we will simply do start equals mid plus 1. And if nums of mid is less than nums of e, then we will bring end to our mid. Okay, so finally we will return nums of s. Now why nums of s, not nums of mid? Think of it like this. Think of a case like 2 comma 1. Okay, so in which start will point to 2 and end will point to 1. Now when you calculate mid, it will point to 2. Then you will realize that since start, then mid will get updated, but then start and end will cross each other and mid will still point to 2. So in that case, we have to return nums of s. So it is both, it is outcome of a case in which we are indicating, we are passing on nums of s as our answer, not nums of mid. In all the other cases, s and mid in generally are pointing to the same element after the end of our loop. So yeah, guys, in this way, we can solve this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, like the question, make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. We shall see you next time.